Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Sometimes we get wigs and we take them out of the box and we feel they are just impossible. We put them on our heads and we think, this wig is just not going to work for me. And that is exactly what happened to me with this wig, with So Uplifting. I recorded the video, the unboxing and review of So Uplifting and Beaming Beauty. And I really liked this one. However, you'll see, and I'm going to insert the clip in just a moment of the unboxing. I was just not happy with it. I felt it had box hair. It was sticking up all over the place. But sometimes we get wigs. We love the color. I love this color. We like the style. Yes, I like this style. And it's one of the few shorter styles that I could actually wear. Let me turn around and show you why. As you can see, it has a nice long nape, so I can wear it, even though I have a very low hairline. Well, it fits me perfectly. Love the color, love the style. But the one thing that wasn't working for me was that when I took it out, when I took it out of the box, rather, it was just sticking up all over the place. So what did I do? After I recorded the video, I thought, I'm going to give this a cold soak, which I did. I just filled up the basin with cool water, and I let the wig sit in there for about 5 minutes, no longer than that. Then I hung it up on one of these stands. I finger combed it so the fibers would be falling down instead of sticking up all over the place. After I did that, I added some Restore. This is a leave-in conditioner by Hair You Wear, the same manufacturer of Gabor. So I added some of this conditioner. It's also used, this is a leave-in conditioner, but it's also a heat protectant. So I used this, and I let the wig sit on the wig stand. I put it on just a little bit ago. I took my flat iron and just went through it very lightly, let the fibers cool, and that's it. That's all I had to do. I added a little bit of the hairspray that I used. This is the one from Hair You Wear. Just add a little bit of hairspray and it's perfect. I could have re-recorded the entire video. However, I didn't think that if I just reviewed it after soaking it and giving it a little bit of styling, adding a little bit of product, I didn't think that would be helpful to you. I thought it would be better if I left that section in and just came on here a couple of minutes and let you know what I did. It wasn't hard. I mean, I am not a stylist, but it was not difficult letting it sit in the cool water, not difficult putting it on the wig stand, letting it dry, adding some leave-in conditioner, and then just using a flat iron to just kind of move the fibers however I want it. I think that would be more helpful because sometimes either we buy a wig on clearance that we can't return, or we buy it from a reviewer or another wig wearer, and we can't, and there's nothing we could do. And sometimes we buy a wig that's brand new, we put it on our heads and we think, no, this just won't work for me because the hair is sticking out all over the place. But sometimes we get the wig, like what happened to me with this one. We get the wig, we love everything about it, except how the fibers are falling. And these wigs, we don't know how long they've been in the box. So if we love everything about it, except the fibers sticking up all over the place, just a little bit of tweaking will help. And I think this is more helpful to you than if I would have just re-recorded the video and said, oh, look at this wig, how great it is, and all of that stuff. That wouldn't help you any, because if perhaps mine is an isolated incident, mine could be just, you know, the luck of the draw, basically. But there may be others so uplifting out there that may arrive and look as the clip that I'm going to show you. What I wanted to show you was what it looked like out of the box and how it looks after I did a little bit of fixing to it. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. All right, let's get into the video. Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today I have got two brand new Gabors launching today. These are So Uplifting, and the other one is Beaming Beauty. I like to thank Shirley's Wig Shop for providing these two styles so I could review them for you. The links to both So Uplifting and Beaming Beauty will be listed down below for you in the description box. I just took So Uplifting out of the box, and I have to tell you, I'm going to be really honest with you, I'm a little disappointed here. I'm going to add the stock photo so you can see, and I debated whether I should wash it, give it a soak, and then I thought, no, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like out of the box. I just took it out. So as you can see, I've got lots of flyaways here, and the hair is kind of sticking up. Now these are true to life fibers. Therefore, we could add heat to it and that would help. But I think it would totally defeat the purpose of the video if I did all of that and not show you what it looked like out of the box. Granted, this is the only sample I have. I am in no way saying that they are all going to be the same, but I need to show you what mine look like. So as you can see, the fibers are a little sticking up. It's a little bit of a hot mess over here. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I think the style is really cute, but these fibers are just not doing it for me. I also have some flyaways up here. The flyaways up on top aren't that bad. I mean, I can live with those. What I'm having some difficulty with are, let me show you. You see how they're kind of sticking up right there? So that's not cool. But like I said, it may only be my sample, and I wanted to address that right off the bat. So Uplifting, we have lots of volume up here. So if you wanted to really spike it up, you can do that. If you want to wear it with less volume, you can do that as well. We do have lots of Permatease on So Uplifting. Even though the density seems to be light, we do have quite a bit of Permatease all around the top. I'll show you the cap in just a moment. And we have lots of shattered layers here. Lots and lots of shattered layers. So we have enough length. If you wanted to spike it up, you can do that. And you could also wear it nice and sleek. I'm hoping that after a soak and after a little bit of heat, it's going to be very wearable. Right now, it's not really wearable. The bang is 4.5 inches. The crown is 5.5 inches. The back is 4.5 inches, and the nape is 3.5. The positive that I have to say about it is that I think it provides enough. It hugs the nape right back here, and it does a good job on that. The other positive that I have on it is that we have a beautiful lace front. Absolutely gorgeous lace front. I have a 21.5 inch circumference, and it fits me perfectly. Here is the ear tab and my very low hairline, so I am getting good coverage on it. All the real short styles that I've worn lately, this has got to be my favorite as far as the fit and the layers and all of this. The only thing I'm not liking is this. Let me stop. Let me get off that soapbox and move on. The color of my So Uplifting is shaded Cappuccino. That's SS1222. This color is very close to Brown Sugar Sweet Cream by Beltress, if that is a color that you like. We start out with the 12, which is your medium to lighter brown, and we have the 22, which is blonde, so it's heavily highlighted. Really pretty color, the same exact shaded Cappuccino as we find on the Raquel Welch. What a difference, don't you think, from the way it unboxed to what it looks like now? I mean, I am just totally amazed. I have to tell you, I love the style. Let me know what you think about that, if this is one of the styles that you are considering new from Gabor, let me know. I'd really like to know if this helped you. Me showing you the kind of the before and after. All right, let me show you the cap. I'm going to use Beaming Beauty to show you the cap because they have exactly the same cap, both So Uplifting and Beaming Beauty. We have a left vinyl part. We have an extended lace front. It goes from ear tab to ear tab. We have the felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. And we have a nice good stretch to the cap. This is a beachy wave, leaning a little curly here, I would say. Quite curly, beachy waves. This is a short wave bob. And there seems to be a hint of an A-line bob. I think it's supposed to be a little bit shorter on the back than on the sides. I'm going to add some water. Oh, this is really, really cute. I like this one. We have Permatease to the right of the part, and we have Permatease down by the nape, and I think that's to give it this form. I feel the density is a little bit on the lighter side. Show it to you on all sides. I think it is adorable. It's a little different than anything that I have right now. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, and I totally understand that. I know that not all the styles I show are for everyone, but you know what? There's something out there for all of us. I think all of my curly hair friends will like this one. I'm actually going to wear this one because I like it. Once again, we have good coverage and a beautiful lace front. Same lace front that we find on Raquel Welch. Mine is in the color Shaded Ice Cafe Latte, which is GF 924SS. This is a little bit darker than Shaded Cappuccino. We have a base of 9 rather than the 12 that we find on Shaded Cappuccino. So your brown is going to be a little bit darker. However, the blonde on Shaded Cappuccino is a 22 and this one is a 24. So this one is going to be a little bit lighter. I feel the fibers on Beaming Beauty, they feel a little softer. They feel a little bit drier on So Uplifting. They don't feel as soft. So I want to make you aware of it. Again, it could just be mine. The measurements on Beaming Beauty, we have the bangs are 7.5 inches. There seem to be some shorter ones right here. That's, unless, yeah, because my face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. So there seems to be a few shorter ones. The crown is 8.5 inches. The nape is 5 1/4 inches, and the sides are 9 1/4 inches. The back is 8 inches. They're saying that this is a hint of an A-line. I'll know for sure when I'm editing, but I'll let you see it again so you can decide for yourself if it is an A-line. Thank you, everyone. Let me know what you think about Beaming Beauty and So Uplifting. What do you think about So Uplifting? I'd really like to hear your thoughts on it. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.